Good morning, students. Welcome back to Chemistry Online Classes. In the last class, we have discussed about two natural processes, evaporation and condensation. I believe you have listed the examples of evaporation and condensation that happen around us. Let me ask one question. Do you like to drink cold water? I think some of your reply may be yes. In your home, you are taking cold water from refrigerator and keep it outside. Have you ever noticed water drops formed on the bottle? Do you know the reason behind it? It's related with, it's due to condensation. Anybody can explain it by condensation? Water vapor present in the air around us or in the atmosphere. One of the content is water vapor. This water vapor, when come in contact with a cold surface, water vapor change back to liquid form. In this case, the water vapor around the water bottle, cold water bottle, come in contact with this cold surface, it change back to liquid form. This process is called condensation. I believe now you can understand how this water vapor converted and formed on water bottle in the form of water drops. Its reason is condensation. Do you now explain the formation of dewdrops on leaves on the basis of condensation? Dewdrops are formed in the cold climatic condition. At this cold condition, water vapor present in the atmosphere converted back to liquid. This water vapor come in contact with the cool leaves. It converted back to water drops. Dewdrops are water drops. So the formation of dewdrops is also due to condensation. Next, we can go through an activity. Suppose I will give you a mixture of sand and salt. How will you separate it? Will you separate it by hand picking method? No. Here, the sand and salt are approximately the same size. We can't separate it by hand picking method. So, how we can separate it? Let's check. First add some water to the mixture and stir it well. While stirring, salt will dissolve. Next, keep the mixture aside for some time. After a few minutes, you can see that sand will settle down. This process is called sedimentation. You have already learned about sedimentation. The settlement of heavier particle is called sedimentation. Next, we can gently transfer the clear upper liquid into another container by decantation or filtration method. For filtration, we can use filter paper. So, fold the filter paper in the form of cone and placed on funnel and gently transfer the upper liquid. In this step, we can separate the sand, and this filtrate contain two components. What are they? Water and salt. Next step, transfer this liquid into kettle and close it by lid and heat the liquid. Do you notice the steam coming out from the spout of the kettle? Then take a metal plate with some ice on it. Hold the metal plate just above the spout of the kettle. Now you can observe that the steam coming out of the kettle gets changed into water drops. This process is called condensation. Here, steam from the kettle, when coming in contact with a cold surface, that means metal with ice, it changed into liquid water form. This water can be collected into another container. Let all the water is boil off. When all the water will evaporate, open the kettle. Then you can see that salt will left behind in the kettle. Here we separate salt and water. So at last we separate sand, salt and water. What are the technique we used here? Sedimentation, decantation, filtration, evaporation and condensation. By all these processes, we separated 3 components. Let's wind up today's class. Today, we have discussed mainly the separation of sand and salt mixture, including different separation techniques. Hope all you have understood the topic. I have attached notes as well as test paper. All you have to attend the test paper sincerely. Also watch the URL I have provided here. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.